It's a gold rookie Chase Claypool, dude. Holy shit.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Grandpa the Great here, and today I'm going to do a little pack opening. Very expensive pack of Prizm I'm going to open up. NFL football, of course. As you see here, I got in the background the Jalen Hurts Kaboom I just recently purchased. Big fan of the Eagles, and I'm also a big fan of Clemson. Got the T. Higgins here. Love that PlayStation patch, but I'm going to get right into it. We got some Absolute we're going to open up as well. We're going to start with these, obviously. You know, looking for a Kaboom here. If not, you know, something numbered, some sweet color, anything like that. So we got a Josh Jacobs, Matt Ryan, Kenny Galladay, little Travis Kelce action, Anthony Miller, Mike Gesicki, my man, pots and pans. We're getting into the greens here. We got AJ Green. Speaking of green, good vet there. Shaquan Barkley. And what do we got here? Chase Young. Stuck to a Sean Alexander. And that's also a green. Got the flashback, stargazing. So nothing too crazy there. Cole McDonald. Had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. LaVisca. Zach Moss. Ooh, Joe Burrow base. That's what we're talking about. When it comes, ooh, back-to-back good pulls here. Sit them aside. And nothing much left for that, but as you can see, we did get the Burrow and the Claypool, so that's pretty cool there. All right, sorry about that. The video kind of cut out there. Gonna move on to the second pack. Let's get something good out of these absolutes here. That'd be great. My man Miles Sanders, D-Hop, Clemson. Absolute animal, tore us up last night. Speaking of Eagles, so long, Mr. Wentz. Good riddance. Just kidding. He did us good for many years. Got a Debo here. Joey Bosa. Quez Watkins, who scored his first touchdown yesterday. Very speedy player. I like him a lot. Mr. Jerry Rice. Lamar. Here we are. We got Cole McDonald again. LaVisca. Another Zach Moss. Another Joe Burrow. This is the same pack I ripped prior. Almost identical. No, it's identical. Same two cards. Two different packs. That's crazy. That's crazy right there. So I have to get them sleeved up. Yeah, that's actually pretty crazy that happened. I pulled this Hurts off camera. My camera cut out, but you guys seen this pull, and yeah. So what are the odds, right? Interesting. So we got that. Set these aside here. Get into the last pack of Absolute, and then we're going to move on to the Prizm. George Kittle, Smith-Schuster, Daniel Jones, Joe Mixon, Cooper Kupp, Marquez Brown, Mike Evans. That's not a bad card here. A green Lamar and a green Gronkowski. Rookie. is Christian Fulton. Never heard of him. And Hunter Renfrow, Clemson alum. So that's cool there. Aaron Rodgers, Joe Reed, Chase Young, good card. Another Christian Fulton. Raekwon Davis, Jalen Reagor, who, I mean, I would like to see on the field a little more, but he's been doing okay for us. And a Jordan Love. So that's that for the absolutes. All right, now moving on to the very expensive pack of Prizm. My local card shop sells these for $50 a pack. 5 cards in a pack, and they're out of the no huddle, as you can see right here. So, I mean, we got a chance of pulling something. Let's go for it here. Hope for the best. The last time I opened a pack of these, it was a Dallas Goedert Disco out of 35. So here we got a D.D. Westbrook, Mitchell Trubisky, who just got his job back recently, Michael Thomas, and this is a backwards card. And it is an autograph. Wow. Patrick Queen, who, if you're a Ravens fan or if you watch the NFL at all, you know is one of the best linebackers in the league right now. That is a really cool card. I mean, what are the chances I get an autograph, right? That is really cool. Very happy about that. $50 pack. Dude has a sweet autograph. Very clean. And is that numbered? Not numbered, but wow. Yep, not numbered, but wow. Great pull there. Very happy with that. So I'm gonna get that in a sleeve right away without dropping anything, hopefully. And there we go. Patrick Queen, what a pull. And our rookie was Keyshawn Vaughn, who I just pulled a autograph of out of the boombox this past week. And that just about does it. I mean, the absolute didn't really bring us much, but the Patrick Queen autograph, sweet. You guys take care. Have a good night. Oh, bro. Oh my God. It's numbered to 10. Holy shit.